I'm Jeff with XDP, and today we're here with Andrew from N-FAB. We're going to talk about the N-FAB Predator Pro Steps. Andrew, tell us a bit about what we have here.
N-FAB Predator Pro is the first all-aluminum Nerf step in the aftermarket. A couple of unique features about the Predator Pro. The extruded main bar has a notch in it to allow the step to fit nice and tight to the body. We also do an aluminum end cap, no plastic on these steps. And we extended the step plate to give you a little extra step surface when you're getting in and out of the vehicle.
So Andrew, if I want to get a set of these for my truck, what exactly do I need for the installation and what comes in the box?
So when you receive the Predator Pro, you'll get the driver and passenger side in the box along with all hardware. Great thing about the Predator Pros is that all brackets are welded on. So you just pull it out of the box, put it up the truck and bolt it on. Basic hand tools, all you need to install them, and all these mount to the factory locations.
So what we have here is a shortened sample version for the video. Andrew, tell me about the real product. How long is it? What color it comes in? And what kind of warranty do you guys have?
So all Predator Pros come in a cab length configuration, which means it runs from the back of the front wheel to the end of the cab. Predator Pros come in a textured black over aluminum finish. And also we have a 5-year finish warranty, lifetime structural warranty on all our products.
So that wraps it up for the N-FAB Predator Pro Steps. We'd like to thank Andrew for being here today, and to find out more about this Predator Pro for your truck or other N-FAB products, check out xdp.com.